Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with Remotask. Remotask tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now we're going to talk about Remotask for today's video, and I'm going to explain to you as a beginner how Remotask work, what Remotask is about, and how you will be able to start earning through Remotask. Now, the good thing is all of this information is mostly covered here on their homepage, and we're going to go through them one by one. And if you don't know how to access Remotask, by the way, you can simply go to Google or simply type it in your URL, type remotask.com, and you will be able to access this website over here. Now, what is Remotask? Remotask is a platform that allows you to start earning while doing online tasks from home, as you can see here on their heading. And you could join their community of 240,000 plus taskers right now. And that means there are a lot of people using Remotaskers and using it to start earning money. Now, as you can see here, there are a total of 240,000 plus, like I said earlier. Their total earning overall with everyone combined is $15 million, as you can see here. It's available to 90 plus countries, which means most likely, or if you're lucky, your country is going to be part of the countries that would be accessible, or you will be able to access remote tasks freely. And if you're not, unfortunately, hopefully in the future, your country will have access to Remotask. Now, how does Remotask work? How do you start earning in Remotask, and what do you need to do? As you can see here on their explanation on how it works, it's very simple. Do a task and get paid. It's that simple, as you can see here on their tag. It's very easy and it's not complicated to start earning Remotask. Although the different tasks get complicated, and the more complicated the task is, of course, the more you will get paid for the difficulty of the specific task. But as you can see here, from labeling images to transcribing audio, you can earn money by completing simple tasks. So there is a wide range of different tasks that you could try and accomplish. And depending on what Remotask provides you, depending on your configuration, we're going to talk about that later, because when you create your account, it's going to ask you a series of questions that will filter out the different tasks that you would need to do, and or you would be able to do. And as you can see here, using Remotask is easy. The different tasks are not too difficult. As you can see, you could learn how to do tasks with our quick online course for free hands-on training. So Remotask is going to assist you to be able to perform effectively and work however you would like to work, and you will be able to complete tasks. And once you work on tasks from project you unlocked, and you will be able to work on tasks from projects you've unlocked, as you can see here, and you will get paid weekly. As you can see, you can get paid via PayPal or AirTM based on your quality and number of tasks complete. So depending on how many tasks that you do, depending on the difficulty, the amount of money that you will be able to learn, or the amount of salary or allowance from Remotask that you will be able to earn, depends on how hard you're working, on how much you're doing tasks in Remotask. And over here below, you could see the different examples of work over here, or examples of tasks. You have the low difficulty and low pay over here, like identifying what the person is trying to do based on the photo. We have another one over here, like mapping out the map, I'm guessing, like mapping the building, the road, and like the cars over here. The difficulty is like medium level, and of course the pay is medium level as well. And this version over here, like 3D modeling, or like more complicated type of task, will have more higher level difficulty over here, but higher level of pay as well. And the good thing about Remotask is it has a flexible schedule. You can work from anywhere and anytime, and you can enjoy the safety of flexibility of working remotely. And all you need to do, or all you need to have, is have a computer and an internet. So let's try and create our account today. Let's click on Start Earning Today, and this will redirect us to the login page here. Now, right now we don't have an account, so we're simply going to click on Sign Up right now, and click on Agree with Terms and Services over here. Now you can continue with Facebook or Google. It is completely up to you. And after entering your Facebook or your Gmail, completely up to you on which one you used, you are now going to verify your account. You're going to verify it with using a phone number over here. You could choose from United States or your country over here. You're simply going to look for it. And you're simply going to send a 6-digit verification code to your phone via SMS. And you're simply going to enter the code over here. Now I'm going to check if I receive a code in this section. I'm going to upload it here and maybe this one. Or let's see. Let's update our messages over here. And let's wait for our code to arrive from our Remotask over here. Now it won't let me verify my account because sometimes Remotask is having issues with sending its SMS, but hopefully for you, when you try to register your account or when you try to create your account, you will be able to proceed and push through, and Remotask will be successful to sending their SMS verification, and you will be able to verify your account. Now there won't be any different, or like it won't be too difficult to navigate through the Remotask interface because I believe it's going to be easy. It's not going to be difficult for new beginners like yourselves to be able to access Remotask and use its different features. The important thing is I was able to explain how Remotask work and how Remotask will be able to allow you to start earning money. Now, if you don't believe you will be able to start earning in Remotask, you simply search in Google. Will I able to earn money in Remotask? Click on enter, and then you will be able to see like information over here, like for example audio transcription and other tasks. You can expect to earn 1 to 2 USD dollars over here per hour. Now, like I said earlier, depending on the task or the difficulty with the task, it's going to have a different pricing. For the transcription, it's very low because it's not a too difficult job, but with a more difficult job, there's going to be a higher level of pay. As you can see here on this representation over here, where you level up more and you earn more. You're also going to get trained on difficult tasks, so you don't need to worry about not knowing what to do for the task that is assigned to you. Remotask will give you some training, or like it's going to give you some instructions on how you will be able to achieve the task assigned to you. Now, we weren't able to show you in the registration earlier, but when you register, it's also going to ask you like your computer system, your internet speed, and like more information about yourself. And you don't need to worry when Remotask ask you about this information. It's only asking you those type of information so that it can help you filter out the tasks that you are actually able to do. For example, your laptop or your desktop isn't that good. It's not going to assign you tasks that are too heavy or requires a heavy load on the computer. So it's going to assign you like simple tasks. For example, these two options over here. It's not going to assign you this third option over here because looking at it, it's going to take up a lot of computer memory to be able to accomplish such tasks. They're not going to expect that you will be able to do every task that they assigned you, and don't worry because they're going to give you, like I said here, a quick online course so that you would know what to do and how to do it and complete your task to get paid weekly and earn as much money as you are trying to earn. And that's it, guys. That's how you could use Remotask, or that's how Remotask work. That will allow you, even as a beginner, to start earning money. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.